Welcome back everybody to the Home Bartender. My name is Ann. Today's cocktail is brought to us by another big deal in Canada. His name is Stephane. I know Stephane from a couple of Discord groups that I am currently on, but he actually was one of my first subscribers on YouTube and on Instagram as well. He has a great following on Instagram, so he's over there at Stephane 186. I'll put that in the description below. But basically, if you're on Instagram and you follow the cocktail community at all, you will find his cocktail page. You'll probably see it multiple times a day. I asked Stephane to submit an original cocktail or something that he really wanted people to see and wanted people to try on my channel. The cocktail he wanted me to try was an entry into the hashtag Love Potion 2020 challenge. These challenges are always put on by Vino at 60-second cocktails, Rob at Rob's Home Bar, and Dave at Booze on the Rocks. So here we have Stephane's cocktail. It's called the Red Rum. Go follow Stephane's page to read the story and see how this cocktail came about. It's pretty funny. I'm gonna try the Red Rum now. Whew. Okay, one of my favorite things about Stephane's page is that we do have similar tastes. He uses Campari in today's cocktail, and it's definitely a Campari forward cocktail. But you can expect this cocktail to also be tart with a sweet backer. I made a little tweak and brought in more of a chocolate element and adjusted it to my tastes. So let's go through the ingredients and get into making the Red Rum cocktail coming up next. All right, let's get started. Stephane uses half an ounce of Fassionola syrup here. I'm using BG Reynolds Fassionola, made in Oregon, of course. Fassionola is made from cane sugar, cherry juice, passion fruit, and mango juices. Stephane says that you could substitute a Grenadine if you wanted to. I think you could also go with a palm cherry Grenadine. That would be great. I have a video on this channel on how to make Grenadine. It's really super easy. Once you do it, you won't go back. So we need that sweetness to balance out all of these ingredients. And we're gonna use 3/4 of an ounce of lime juice next. So here's my tweak to this cocktail. It's a pretty Campari forward cocktail, and Stephane did use some chocolate bitters in this recipe originally, but I'm adding 1/4 ounce of Crème De Cacao, and I usually use Tempus Fugit. That really will give this cocktail a smooth finish. When you make it, just tell us what you think. Put the changes you might make in the comments so that Stephane can actually see them. So next is 1.5 ounces of white rum. I went with Stephane's recommendation here using this 3-star rum but from Plantation. It is a really nice even rum. It's smooth and it has a light, slight sweetness to it. So we're gonna use 1.5 ounces of that. And then lastly, we're gonna get 1.5 ounces of Campari in there for the bitter component. If you wanna cut this down by 1/2 ounce, that might be something to try and bring it down to bring those bitter notes down just a little bit. So 1.5 ounces. Okay, that's it for the ingredients. Let's do the ice thing. Just a little bit of ice. Shake this up. I'm gonna get this into the glass. Get some ice over the top of this. The thing about these snifters is that they're not great for garnish. The top opening is very small, so I'm just gonna go with the Surfside Sips. Discount code below in the description for this one. And then if you wanted to, you could take some chocolate bitters and just shake that over the top. That's how Stephane did that in his original cocktail, but I'm gonna do it this way, and this is Stephane Foisey's Red Rum. Stephane's cocktail is actually really fun to play with. You can easily take down the lime or the Campari or bring either of those two components up, change the syrup. I personally find that super fun to do and play with. Stephane, you've been a really good friend during my YouTube journey, and I wanna say thank you for being really encouraging. I think I have more cocktails saved on Instagram from you than from anyone else. Sorry, everybody else. So go follow Stephane, but don't forget about me, of course. If you search Home Bartender Ann, either on Instagram or on Facebook, you will find me, of course. Thanks again, Stephane, for making such a great cocktail and just being a part of this little video today. Please don't forget to comment about how you would change this cocktail up a bit. When you comment, it really puts me in front of more people on YouTube. Hit the like button. That really helps my channel a lot. It makes a big difference. So see you next week. We're gonna make a really fun cocktail. Have a great weekend. Be well.